Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to register for classes at Bakersfield College using Inside BC. Today, we'll walk you through each step so you can build your class schedule with confidence. Once Inside BC, click on the My Account tab near the top of the page. Locate the registration card. Keep in mind that your My Account page may look slightly different depending on the options you have available to you in your Inside BC account. Click on the registration info link on the registration card to begin the process. Once you are on the registration page, select Add or Drop classes from the available options. Next, choose the term you want to register for, then click Continue. On the Register for Classes page, you have the option to search by subject, course number, or entering the CRN directly. In this example, we will search by the subject and course number by inputting that information into the subject and course number search bar. Click Search once the required information is entered. Now you can review the list of classes to determine which course works for your schedule. Drag column edges to view details such as class start and end dates, meeting times, campus location, and other important information located in each column. Once you find the class you would like to register into, click the Add button in the far right column. You're not done yet. Class will be in pending status until you click the Submit button. Once submitted, the course will be highlighted in green and the status will be updated to registered in your summary area of the screen. If you are looking to add another class to your schedule, you will click on Search again in the upper right-hand corner and repeat the process. Congratulations! You are now registered for courses at Bakersfield College.